It's great to have you in the studio with us. Welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Thank you for having me.
So it seems many things came out of this meeting that happened, but let's take them one by one. First of all, the calling for the release of Nnamdi Kanu.
That's correct.
What should we make of the timing of this calling, seeing as he's been in detention for quite a while and battling his legal troubles? What is it that right now, what happened? What transpired?
Well, like you said, we discussed quite a number of issues bordering on the state of the nation. And there is no doubt that issues of, security, national reconciliation, and all of that at this critical time is very important. And we see the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, the release of Nnamdi Kanu, as such that could bring about national reconciliation. We actually do not want it to be seen as a political issue. Any moment from now, maybe in the next 6 months or thereabouts, you will see politicians begin to discuss 2027 and thereabout. And so we feel that it is very important at this time, because there is no way you will discuss issue of security in this country, issue of national reconciliation, issue of southeast of Nigeria without the issue of Nnamdi Kanu. So we feel that, yes, there is no useful purpose for his detention. Detaining Nnamdi Kanu up till now will not serve Nigeria any useful purpose. By releasing him will go a long way, to calm down the frayed nerves in the country, and for us to have, in Nigeria, everybody at least will have a better sense of belonging. Afenifere just feel at this time that there is no need for federal government continuing to. In fact, I wouldn't know whether there was any need to have even detained him in the first place, particularly for this long.
But looking at the federal government's body language, and its, should I say, inaction regarding this matter, so far, because several groups have also called for his release. What makes you, or should I say, are you optimistic that the federal government will listen to this call from Afenifere?
Well, you see, Afenifere looks at things from the objective point of view at a particular time in the history of our nation, and we are not doing it for the first time. If you cast your mind back to sometimes around 1981, in faraway northeast Nigeria, and one sugar bar was deported, and the federal government suddenly called him a Cameroonian and deported him, is it a Cameroonian or a Chadian, and deported him from Nigeria. Afenifere then, still under the leadership of Chief Obafemi Awolowo, rose to the occasion. It is not a matter of whether we are optimistic or not. It is a question of, is it just, is it right, what we are asking, is it appropriate? And so it is for us to make our own demand, to advise government, and it is for government to take its own decision.
Fair enough.